Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna do a little bit different. We are going to do a kind of get ready with me, even though I already did my hair. If I still have time after I do my makeup, I might put my hair extensions on, so we will see. But at least I want to do my makeup really quick and show you what products I use. Okay, so I already cleansed my face. I also did a face mask and under eye mask, lip mask as well, and I moisturized my face. Today I am not going to use any primer. It's going to be a pretty light makeup because I actually ran out of my favorite foundation, which is from It's Cosmetic. It's actually a CC cream, but I ran out of that, so I need to reinvent because some of the other foundations that I have here are not my shade. Anyways, first thing I start is with my brows. So what I use for my brows is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo, and I use the medium brown shade. Also use the Anastasia number 12, I guess. It's pretty old, but that's what I use for my brows. And I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit. So as you can see, I'm just darkening a little bit my brow. I really can't see in the camera, but it's looking good here. I have my little, look at that pimple there, it's pretty bad. So I just brush. Alright, so brows are done. It looks strong right now, but it's because I don't have anything in my face right now. Everything is gonna blend together, I promise. I said that I don't have any foundation that I like or matches with my skin. So today, I'm just gonna cover all of my imperfections with some concealer, and then I will use powder all over my face. So for concealer, I'm using this Cosas concealer number 4. All right, for the concealer, I usually do under my eyes, of course. And then I have a big pimple here that I want to conceal. Also, I have a lot of scarring down here, so I pack it in there pretty good. I usually do around my nose. I'm pretty much using it as a foundation. So that's pretty much what I do when I don't have foundation, or I don't want to be too heavy. Even though I'm going out tonight, we're gonna have dinner, so I use a little bit more of concealer because I want more coverage. That's what I do. So now I'm gonna get my handy dandy beauty blender. This is not beauty blender, I can't remember what brand is it. I know I got it on the BoxyCharm box, but I have a small one and also I have a bigger one. And guys, these two sponges are the best. These are so soft. They're actually a little bit better than the beauty blender in my opinion. So I'm just gonna blend. Sorry if I'm not looking at the camera too much. I'm trying to get used to the setup. I have the little screen that flips to the side, so it's to this side. Try to conceal that big pimple in there. So I'm very excited. Guys, they do like some type of beef Wellington. I've never heard of that. Obviously, I'm from Puerto Rico and we don't really do that, but it looks super, super good. And it's a piece of art. The way they do it is literally a piece of art. I'll put the link down below so you guys can look it up on Instagram. Looking good, right? So I have really good coverage. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over the ones that are not completely covered, like this one and a little bit in here. And this one I literally tap. At least I have a pretty good canvas. So next thing I'm gonna do is I am going to bake a little bit. I like my Laura Mercier setting powder. I use the translucent shade. So I do not always bake, but I like it when I go out because it smooths everything out, and just for a couple of hours it won't look too cakey after. So let me show you. All right guys, so I have my Laura Mercier here, and this is on shade translucent. And then for the brush, this brush I love it to set up. It's from the brand Persona. I haven't really heard it, and it came in the BoxyCharm monthly subscription. I like it because it has a small end and then it has the larger side, and I like this one to use it for that area. So usually I damp a little bit here. About that, I start with that. use it on a T-zone. I have combination skin, which I actually thought I had oily skin, and then when I got a facial with Lola, she's awesome. You can find her on my Instagram. I'm always tagging her, and I'll put it down below, but she's here in Honolulu, and she told me that I actually have combination skin, so surprise. All right, so guys, so I already put that. So now the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a little bit of powder, and I'll show you which one. So I already baked my face, so now I'm gonna move into the pressed powder. I used the one from Bobbi Brown. This is the Sheer Finish pressed powder from Bobbi Brown. It's really good and is in shade Soft Honey. I hit pan already. It's embarrassing, but look at that. Yep. Anyways, I'm gonna just use this big powder brush. This one is from Sigma, the F30. And I just dab that, take out the excess, and then just slightly go over pretty much my cheekbones, the area that I really didn't set. So it gives me that good dimension, and I drag this down. Usually I will drag it a little bit more if I'm wearing something that it has a lot of cleavage. Just like that. And then let's do a little bit here. I don't really use shadow primer, honestly. Alright, I'm gonna bring you in so we can do the shadow, and we're gonna do a really basic one. For my shadow, I keep it simple. I really do not know how to do much shadow, but I'm gonna use this Natasha Denona. Hopefully you can see it there. Colors are beautiful, really nice terracotta kind of colors. And this is the Peak palette. Go in with this shade right here. Where is it at? This one. For my base, I apply it kind of in the crease. All right, so I typically just tap, tap, tap. Like I said, I'm not a professional in doing shadows, but I just blend. Super, super simple. Now I'm gonna go more into the crease and intensify that color. Use a matte bronzer. Cheekbones, temples. I do not contour. I don't. Now for the blush, I'm gonna use the Becca. This is the Snapdragon. It's my favorite blush, and it's a little bit shimmery. I'm gonna use the large angle contour brush from Sigma, number F40, and I like heavy blush. Do the top of the cheek. And then I drag. And I like to put on top of my nose. Alright, there is no better highlight, actually that I own, than this one. I have a palette from Cover FX. Look at those colors. So I'm just gonna get this one. And I'm gonna apply it to my, I'm gonna find a finger that is clean. Slightly on my cheek. I'm gonna align my lips really quick with this Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Liner on Dusty Rose shade 130. And I love that you can just do that. I'm just gonna, I don't super overline because I already have big lips. And I leave that little pout. For my lipstick, I used the Bobbi Brown Luxe Matte Lip Color in shade Nude Reality. Just like this. Alright guys, so that is my final look. I think it looks pretty good, pretty natural. I need to get dressed and hurry up.